Ever heard the saying, squeaky wheel gets the grease? Well, it's the same thing with your content. In this video, I'm going to break down how I was able to get tens of thousands of views across several platforms with just 90 seconds of work. Hi, I'm Maurice A. Davis, and I help professional service businesses launch their show in 30 days so they can get a flood of customers without cold calling and spammy marketing tactics. All right. So the first step in our process, well, first things first, we have to recognize that this lives in a system called the six-figure show launch, and this is step 7 of that process. So the first step, or the first piece of this, is actually figuring out what topics are trending or have legs on them. And so one of the easiest ways to do this is to look on your social media platforms, whether that be YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or even Google News, and find topics that are related to your industry, and then go and create videos or stories about them, and then test your content against the other content on those platforms. So that's step 1. Step 2 is when you create those videos, you have to put some sort of spin on it. You have to be willing to take a side. Last year, I created a video about the Bud Light campaign, and I took a clear side. And the reason why I took a clear side had nothing to do with my feelings about the campaign, but because if you sit in the middle on a topic, what will happen is when people watch the video, no one will have an emotional response. And in order for you to have a successful video like that, you need people to have an emotional response. When someone has emotional response, the people that are really happy that you have that feeling will show your video some love. And the people that are really angry that you have that feeling will also show their opinions and feelings in the comments. And those interactions is what drives the success of a video. The third piece, and probably one of the things that I see not happening enough on social platforms, is responding to the videos with responding to the comments in your videos with other videos and comments. If you were to look at a lot of my social platforms, you'll see that I do my best to respond to each one of the comments with a video. And there's 2 reasons for that. Number 1, it's easy content to create. And number 2, that person that is responding clearly has a connection with that piece of content and can potentially be someone that you can work with or refer someone that you can work with. And creating that piece of content will create a stronger relationship with you as a leader in the industry and as a brand. If you're someone that is interested in getting your own show launched and you feel stuck and you're not sure where to go ahead and book a complimentary call with me. Down below, you'll see a link. Just click that, schedule a call. We'll walk you through step by step each thing that you need to do and give you a clear path for how to get your show launched. Outside of that, thanks for watching and stay out here winning, y'all.